Hello everybody and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. If you're thinking about remodeling your kitchen or simply looking for some fresh inspiration, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 12 kitchen remodel ideas for 2025 that are guaranteed to elevate your space. From smart technology to bold design choices, these trends blend functionality with style, perfect for anyone ready to transform their kitchen into something truly spectacular. Whether you're planning a complete renovation or just want to refresh certain elements, we've got plenty of ideas to spark your creativity. So, let's get started. Backsplashes are no longer just a functional part of the kitchen, they're becoming the centerpiece of the design. In 2025, bold backsplashes are taking over, with vibrant colors and striking patterns that instantly catch the eye. Think bright geometric tiles, rich marble veins, or even metallic accents that make a statement. These backsplashes are a perfect way to inject personality into the kitchen without overwhelming the space. What's great about this trend is how versatile it is. Whether you prefer a pop of color, a sleek modern look, or something artistic, bold backsplashes offer endless possibilities. Plus, they give you the freedom to experiment with styles that reflect your unique taste, all while keeping the rest of the kitchen neutral or minimal. It's an easy way to elevate the aesthetic of your kitchen and make it truly stand out. Storage is always a challenge in the kitchen, but in 2025, hidden storage solutions are taking clever organization to the next level. The focus is on creating a clean, clutter-free look while making every inch of the kitchen more functional. From pull-out shelves and deep drawers to cabinets with hidden compartments, these storage ideas keep everything neatly tucked away but still easily accessible. Imagine a kitchen where all your pots, pans, and gadgets are perfectly organized behind sleek cabinet doors. No more cluttered countertops or digging through drawers to find what you need. Some designs even include pantry pullouts or discreet spice racks built right into the cabinetry. These hidden storage solutions are perfect for keeping the kitchen looking streamlined and modern while offering smart ways to maximize space. Kitchens are getting smarter by the year, and 2025 is no exception. With the latest advancements in technology, smart kitchens are becoming a must-have for modern homes. Imagine having a refrigerator that tells you when you're low on groceries or a voice-activated oven that preheats itself while you're busy. These innovations not only make everyday tasks more convenient, but also add a futuristic vibe to the space. Smart lighting, temperature control, and even hands-free faucets are now designed to work together, all managed from your phone or through voice commands. These systems allow you to adjust everything from lighting to appliances with a simple tap or voice command. As more homes embrace this technology, smart kitchens are becoming a key trend for 2025, merging convenience with high-tech functionality. Sustainability is at the forefront of design in 2025, and kitchens are no exception. Homeowners are increasingly choosing eco-friendly materials that not only look good but also minimize environmental impact. From countertops made of recycled glass to cabinets crafted from reclaimed wood, sustainable materials offer a stylish yet responsible approach to remodeling. Using materials like bamboo, cork, and even recycled metal not only helps the planet but also creates a kitchen that feels warm and natural. These materials often have unique textures and finishes that bring an organic, earthy vibe into the space. Plus, they're incredibly durable, meaning your kitchen will stand the test of time while making a positive impact on the environment. Going green never looked this good. Kitchen islands have evolved far beyond just being an extra counter space. In 2025, they've become the true workhorse of the kitchen, serving multiple purposes in one sleek design. These multi-purpose islands now come equipped with everything from built-in appliances to additional storage, seating areas, and even hidden charging stations for your devices. Think about how convenient it is to have a spacious island where you can prep meals, gather with friends, and store all your kitchen essentials, all in one spot. Some islands even feature cooktops or sinks, making them a central hub for cooking and entertaining. This trend is all about maximizing functionality without sacrificing style, turning the island into a versatile centerpiece that works for everyday tasks and special occasions alike. Gone are the days of sticking to just one type of metal in the kitchen. In 2025, mixing metal finishes is the way to go, bringing a fresh, dynamic look to any space. You'll see combinations like brass faucets paired with matte black cabinet handles or stainless steel appliances next to bronze light fixtures. This mix of metals adds depth and contrast, creating a kitchen that feels layered and sophisticated. What makes this trend so exciting is how it allows you to be creative without feeling like you're breaking the rules. It's all about balance, pairing bold metals with more subtle ones so they complement each other. The result is a kitchen that feels thoughtfully designed, with a bit of edge and personality. By blending different finishes, you can create a look that's both modern and timeless. Large format tiles are making a big statement in 2025 kitchens, and they're not just for floors anymore. These oversized tiles are being used on walls, backsplashes, and even countertops to create a seamless, modern look. The beauty of large format tiles lies in their simplicity. Fewer grout lines mean a cleaner, more streamlined appearance, making the kitchen feel larger and more open. These tiles come in a variety of materials like porcelain, stone, or ceramic, giving you plenty of options to suit your style. Whether you're going for a sleek, minimalist design or a more natural stone finish, large format tiles offer a sophisticated yet low-maintenance solution. They not only look luxurious, but are also practical, as they're easier to clean and maintain than smaller tiles with more grout. In 2025, earthy color palettes are taking center stage in kitchen design, bringing warmth and tranquility into the heart of the home. Shades like terracotta, muted greens, warm browns, and soft creams create a cozy yet modern atmosphere that feels inviting and grounded. These colors are perfect for creating a serene backdrop, allowing other design elements, like your choice of materials or decorative accents, to shine. Earthy tones can be incorporated in various ways, from cabinetry and countertops to wall colors and accessories. Pairing these hues with natural materials, such as wood or stone, enhances the organic feel of the space. This trend embraces the idea of bringing nature indoors, creating a harmonious environment that reflects the beauty of the outdoors. It's a perfect choice for those looking to create a kitchen that feels both stylish and connected to nature. As we move into 2025, personalization is becoming a key element in kitchen design. Homeowners are looking to create spaces that reflect their individual tastes and lifestyles, making their kitchens truly their own. This trend emphasizes unique touches, whether it's through custom cabinetry, bespoke fixtures, or personal decor elements that tell a story. Imagine a kitchen with open shelving displaying your favorite cookbooks, unique dishware, or even art pieces that inspire you. Custom cabinetry can be tailored to fit not just the space but your specific needs, whether that means more pull-out drawers, specialized wine racks, or integrated appliances that blend seamlessly into the design. The goal is to create a kitchen that is functional and uniquely personal, transforming it into a space that feels like an extension of yourself. Integrated appliances are becoming increasingly popular in kitchen design for 2025, and it's easy to see why. This trend emphasizes seamlessness, allowing appliances to blend in with cabinetry and other elements for a sleek, unified look. Instead of bulky, standalone units, homeowners are opting for appliances that are built into the design of the kitchen, creating a more polished and sophisticated environment. From refrigerators that look like part of the cabinetry to dishwashers hidden behind custom panels, integrated appliances not only enhance the aesthetics of the kitchen but also maximize space. This design approach creates a streamlined appearance, making the kitchen feel more open and inviting. Additionally, many integrated appliances are designed with energy efficiency in mind, helping to reduce energy consumption while providing top-notch performance. This combination of style and functionality makes integrated appliances a top choice for modern kitchens. Statement lighting is taking kitchens by storm in 2025, and for good reason. It's an excellent way to add a touch of personality and drama to your space while also providing essential illumination. Gone are the days of standard overhead fixtures. Instead, homeowners are opting for unique chandeliers, pendant lights, and even sculptural fixtures that draw the eye and serve as focal points. These lighting choices can vary widely, from bold, industrial designs to elegant, modern styles that incorporate organic materials. Whether you choose a cluster of hanging pendants above your kitchen island or a striking chandelier in the dining area, statement lighting elevates the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. Not only does it enhance the ambience, but it also creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying family meals. By carefully selecting lighting fixtures that complement your kitchen's design, you can create a cohesive look that showcases your style while ensuring the space is both functional and beautiful. Outdoor-inspired designs are making a splash in 2025, bringing the freshness of nature indoors. This trend incorporates elements that evoke the feel of outdoor spaces, creating a relaxed, inviting atmosphere in the kitchen. Think about using natural materials like wood and stone, along with a color palette inspired by nature's hues, soft greens, sky blues, and sandy beiges. Large windows that invite in natural light, open layouts that connect to outdoor areas, and even indoor gardens or herb planters are becoming essential features. These designs not only enhance the aesthetic but also promote a healthier lifestyle by incorporating elements of nature. The aim is to create a kitchen that feels open, airy, and in tune with the environment, making cooking and entertaining feel like a breath of fresh air. By blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living, homeowners can create a soothing kitchen space that feels both refreshing and invigorating, perfect for culinary creativity and gatherings with family and friends. In conclusion, the top kitchen remodel ideas for 2025 showcase a beautiful blend of style, functionality, and personal expression. From stunning backsplashes and sustainable materials to integrated appliances and outdoor-inspired designs, these trends are all about creating spaces that enhance the way we live and connect in our kitchens. Whether you're planning a full remodel or just looking for inspiration, incorporating these ideas can transform your kitchen into the heart of your home. So, embrace the trends, make them your own, and let your kitchen shine in 2025. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HD Interiors for more design inspiration. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What trends are you most excited about? Let's create a beautiful kitchen together.